Let us learn the introduction of GeoGebra or Lab 0. Now, how to do? First, we will see the application. See here the application. From application, you go to education. In education, you can see GeoGebra. Double click it. It will take a little while to open the GeoGebra. Let it open. Maximize. Okay, now this is the GeoGebra window. Look here, what all things you can see. On the top, you can see the words like file, edit, view, etc. These are called menu bar. This is called menu bar. Below that, you can see these icons, isn't it? One arrow, point, line, etc. This is called toolbar. Then two sections are there. One, this plain part, it is algebraic section, and this is graphic section. And the below you can see input, where you can put, see, for example, if I am putting X, in input I put X, then in the graphic section, the line y equal to X. If I simply put X, it means it is y equal to X. The graph of X is drawn. If I enter the input value, it will appear in algebra section as f of x equal to x. So in algebra section, we can see the equation of the graphic part. If I am putting in input x squared, how to put x squared? X, then upper key shift, then upper case is applied, then write 2. This is x squared. Whenever we put in input x itself, the graph will come, but it will remain there if we put enter. When we put enter, the graph will be seen and the algebraic equation of x squared is seen. First we will, when whatever we are writing, first the computer will read it as f of x, then g of x, then next it will h of x, like that it will be going on. And to discriminate between two graphs, usually different colors will be seen. If we put one more graph, let us see. We put a x cube, how x raised to 3. Enter it, see different color and another term h of x. Like that we will draw the graphs. You should be more familiar with the toolbox. See this toolbar. Let us learn how to do toolbar. The first one, look here, if we click in the lower arrow, whatever in that tool will be displayed. Move around a point, freehand shape, pen, like that. Now we will use only move. Move means what? I will explain later. Now the second one, point, first one point. If I click this point, it will be here. And wherever I click in the graphic section, the point will come. Suppose I want to stop this point formation, what shall I do? I shall take it to move and click there. Then again if I click here, no point will be formed. Okay, so whatever you do the function, take it into move and click there. It is just like a, when you do brushing, we will dip the brush in water, like that we are doing in move. Otherwise the same color will be seen in the brush, like that. Okay. So in second one point, then after that, which one is that? What we will more use the term intersect. Intersect I will show you. Then next one is line segment. Line, how to do, take line. And if I put somewhere the point and if I drag, the line will be formed. See, it will be moving. In order to fix the line, I should click somewhere else. Then the line will be fixed because 2 points determine a line. If I again click here, again line will be formed. So to get rid of from this line formation, what shall I do? I should take to move. When I click in move, then again if I put, nothing will be formed. So how to move, how to do line we learned. Now check the segment. Segment means line segment. One point, another endpoint, the line segment will be formed. If we do again, another will be formed. So again move to move. So that property has gone. Then mostly we will use line and line segment. Next is what? Perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, how to draw perpendicular line? See, if I want to draw this line, a perpendicular, how to draw? Touch this line. At which point the perpendicular to be drawn, we can move it. No problem. Move the perpendicular. It is only a perpendicular to this line. So at which point we want, if I want the point A, fix at A, then it will be here. Okay, this is perpendicular. So again I am putting it in move. Now if I want a parallel line, if I want to draw parallel to this line, click that line. And if I want to draw the parallel line through B, put it in B and click there. Though the parallel lines will be formed. Move. Then perpendicular bisector. For a line segment, the perpendicular bisector. If I want to draw perpendicular bisector to this line, click on both the end points. Then the perpendicular bisector will be formed. Again move. Then angle bisector, now no need of that. Now this one polygon. I will just show what is polygon, no need of that. If we want to draw a triangle, closed figure, how will we draw? See, draw it like this. Again move. Circle. Circle with a center through point. How to do? Circle with a center through point. Click it here. So center is taken. Now we move. Whatever we want, we can do. If we want to draw the circle through C, the point C, I put through C. So this is circle through the point C. Okay. Then another, one more circle is there. Circle with the center and radius. If I click here and click here, it will ask which radius circle you want to draw. If I put it 2, means I want a circle with a radius 2. Put OK. Then the circle will be formed here. If I do again it will be formed. Move. This is the first property, so it is coming like this. I have to put in move. Then what else? It is enough. We do from this. This is ellipse, hyperbola, parabola. We are not doing angle. So also whenever needed, only I will explain. Reflect about a line, that will I explain. Now this one we have to learn. Slider. What is slider? Slider means if you put slider, click it here. Then it will be coming like this. Number, angle, integer. Usually we will take a number. First one will be A. Then here you see minimum -5, maximum 5, which increment we want. Put it here 0.1 or 0.0. I'm putting here 0.1. If you want, we can put a 0.001, etc. Okay, if we put this slider is formed here, we can move it. Another, I haven't put a move, that's why cancel. I'm cancelling it. I'm putting it in move. See, this slider I can move. means a value varies. Okay, this is slider. Then I'm putting in move. Another one, text. If you want to type something, take it here and put here. Text will be formed. If I'm putting A, B, C, D. Okay, this text I want. I put OK. It will be coming here. A, B, C, D. Move. I take. This is text. If I want to somewhere, I can move and put somewhere here. Okay. Then text, image button, checkbox. Checkbox, input box. I will explain later if we need it. Then this one, zoom in, zoom out, move graphics view, show hide objects, that I will explain, move graphics view. And in here you can see, this is toolbar I explained. In menu bar, if you want to put a view, in view there is algebra, spreadsheet, like that. This spreadsheet actually, if I click here, see, one spreadsheet will be coming here. It is used to for doing matrices, but we don't have lab in that, so we are not learning it. Then graphics 1, graphics 2. If I put a graphics 2, see, another will be appearing here. Two graphic sections. If I want to compare two graphs, I can compare it through that. Graphics. Then in options, rounding to which decimal place, labeling, etc. These all things I will explain. Now, if you want to put, we draw many things, and if you want to save it, put a save. Otherwise, if you put in file, you can save or save as you give. Otherwise, if I want to do something new, I can take new window. Means a new window over the other one will be coming. That window will remain there, a new window will be coming. Now in this I have explained menu bar, toolbar. Let me explain this graphic section. In graphic section, these are x-axis and y-axis, and these are called grid lines. If I right click in axis, if we take axis will be disappearing. If we want to make it again, click it there. Similarly the grid, if you click it will go, again click it will come. Then what else? Zoom, x-axis, y-axis, in whatever ratio we want, we can do graphics. In this x-axis, we learned when we draw sine graph, we want the x-axis in terms of pi by 2, isn't it? Distance, click it. Then pi by 2 we want. Take pi by 2. Close it. See, x-axis, the values changed. Now if I want to draw sine x graph, let me type sin x in input box, enter. See, sin x graph will be formed. We learned sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, like that. If I want to draw cos x here, I can put it in cos x. And when I put like this, the whatever to be typed will be coming here. I can select from here, no problem. And then you put x. Otherwise, directly you put cos x. Another graph, see, cos 0 is 1. So if we want to compare both the graphs in different, one more thing I will tell. This one, this here in algebraic, if I click here, it will be disappearing. See here, the blue color has gone. Click here, it will be go. Again click here, it will appear. Okay, so we can hide it if we don't want it. Or if we want to delete this, right click here and put delete. It will be gone. Again, if I want to draw the cos x in another graph, what we will do, view graphics 2. So it will be coming here. Do it like this. If I want a grid, I can put a grid. If I don't want, put it here. Then in this section, I click it here and I put cos x. Cos x. And there. See, it will be coming in graphic 2. So to compare two graphs, we can draw either in two graphs or in the same graph itself. Okay, this is graphics 2. These are the preliminary concepts which you should know when we draw graphs through GeoGebra. I will explain more later.